Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change your X or old Twitter username on your mobile phone. So what you need to do first is go to on your X app. After going to your X app or Twitter app, you have to go to your profile option like here. After tapping on profile, you have to find the option settings and support. You have to click on it and you have to click on settings and privacy. Please make sure you watch the every step I am going to show you so that you can change your username on your X app or Twitter app. So after doing so, you have to click on this your account option in the first option right here. After tapping on this, you have to click on account information. Here is a bunch of option. You need to click on account information. After doing that, you have to click on username. So here is the tricky option. You have to find a unique username, otherwise you cannot use it. Here you can see the Sharif Hussain is already taken. If this is red, you can't use it. If you can find a username that is unique like that, okay, this is if this green tick is here, green icon is here, you can use this username. So be careful to choose your username. After choosing your username, you have to click on done like that. The username has been successfully updated. So your username just changed like that. Here you can see my username just changed. So this is how you can change your username on your Twitter or X app. I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel. Peace.